Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get this fast and free ship in no time. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. Let's see what is inside. There we go. Go, guys. And alright, VIP. Let's go. It's coming from SONORO. Kate. Check them out on Amazon. What are these? Alright. And boom, we got a nice little ribbon and these bed sheets. These gotta be bed sheets. Alright, just be careful when you cut it open. Oops. I think right about. There we go. There we go. Nice and easy. Easy peasy, guys. You know, go in the other room, try these on, and put it on the bed. And I have one of those 8 sleep pods. Best mattresses I ever slept on. And you guys can check them out because they got a huge summer sale going on right now. Also, for the mattresses, they're the smart technology where it got the heat and air conditioning. It's amazing. Best sleep you'll ever have. Guaranteed. I think these are the Egyptian thread 1800 bed sheets. And it looks like it's going to be a king size. Yep, king size. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. I think this is a whole set. So you get a couple pillow covers, the sheet, and also the other cover. So you get a lot in this one. Really comfortable though. I have for my queen that I sleep on, and it's amazing. So you guys will definitely like this one at an affordable price too. See, this is the main one. Got that nice elastic. Super stretch. Since now we're all at home, you know, might as well stack up on your pillows, cases, and your bed sheets. Yeah, see, that's what it looks like, kind of. We'll see it on the bed in a few seconds. Got that one. This is the top sheet. I never use these just because I don't sleep that much. But maybe in the winter time. Put that down. Here's the pillowcases. They got the nice stitching like that. So you see these, a lot of them on those reality shows. This is what they use on their beds and stuff like that. Heard something. So right there. Well, we're gonna hop into the other room in about 2 seconds. YouTube magic. Alright guys, we are back in the room. There it is. There's the 2 pillowcases. That's no pillowcase, but that's what they look like. Really comfortable, guys. So check them out. This is a king size one. King pillowcases, and like I said, I don't use a top sheet, so I just put that to the side. But definitely for a good night's sleep, you'll have the comfort with these 1800 Egyptian sheets. And if you guys need a bed, this is the best mattress right here. Got the Eat Sleep pod right there. That's where the water goes. And it does the cooling and heating. Kind of like a waterbed, but way more advanced. But I'll leave the link down below for that. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.